you still there hold my hands, lover of my soul. Alright, welcome back to another video. In this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to play the popular song Daddy Wey Dey Pamper by Bliss. I'm going to be doing this in the key of C, so this is our scale. Okay, just as usual, I'm going to be using the chord number system to explain the chord progression in this song, so I suggest you get familiar with the diatonic chords in the key of C. So this is your chord 1 in the key of C, that is your C major chord. This is your chord 2, your D minor, your chord 3, E minor, your chord 4, F major, your chord 5, G major, your chord 6, A minor, chord 7, B diminished, back to your chord 1, okay? So make sure you're familiar with all this chord, okay? So let's start out with the intro. This is how the intro goes. I'll try to be as slow as possible, so you can use the text on screen as a guide, okay? And if I'm a bit fast along the line, you can always pause the video or rewind it, okay? So let's get straight to the intro. So this is how the song starts. Okay. Alright, so that's the intro of the song. Now let's move to the main, should I say the chorus? So now let's move to the main part of the song. So this is how it starts. I'll be calling the chord number system as I'm singing the lyrics of the song. So make sure you follow that properly. Alright, so let's start. So we start from the chord 1. Okay. So, even when I fall, your hands, then we'll move to the chord 4, okay? You still they hold my hands, chord 1, lover of my soul, chord 5, you know they break my heart, chord 6, I'll sing about your mercy, chord 4, I'll sing about your grace, chord 1, now you they bust my brain, chord 7, every chord 3, okay? That's the major third, night and day, chord 6, okay? So let me do it again without pausing so that you're going to really understand how it flows, okay? So, even when I fall, your hands, you still they hold my hands, lover of my soul. You know they'll break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy, I'll sing about your grace. Now you they bust my brain every night and day. Okay? So now let's move to the chorus. We start. So now let's move to the chorus. We start from the chord 1. Daddy Wey Dey, then we'll move to the chord 4, Pamper, okay? Daddy Wey Dey, then we'll move to the chord 1, bless, okay? Forever you're my father, then we'll move to the chord 5, now you the give me rest, then chord 6, when I look around, chord 4, I see your faithfulness, chord 1, okay? I bow down on my knees, chord 7, okay? You can voice it anyhow you want. I can choose to even play it like this. That's chord 5 over the chord 7, so just get the concept. Knees, okay? So now move to the major third, or you can say the dominant 7th of the third chord, okay? So let me not make this complex. You know that normally the third chord in every major scale is a minor chord, okay? So in this case, this is E minor chord, but this time around the third chord was made a major chord, or you can say dominant 7, okay? before we get back to the 6. Because now you will be the best. Okay, so that's just basically the whole song. So I hope you get the concept. In case you miss any line of the song, you can always rewind, and if you find, you can always rewind the previous, you can always rewind and pause to learn even much more better. Okay, so I hope you find value in this video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this in the future. Okay, so we'll see you in our future videos, so take care.